11 amazing next-level tools on Amazon you need to see in 2025. In a world of innovation, certain tools stand out as game changers for professionals and hobbyists alike. These aren't just tools, problem solvers, time savers, and creativity enhancers that elevate everyday tasks to extraordinary levels. From groundbreaking hand tools to clever devices designed to simplify complex jobs, these 11 next-level tools on Amazon for 2025 are a testament to the power of modern ingenuity. Milwaukee Step Bits. Milwaukee Step Bits are a game-changer for anyone working with metal or thick materials. These bits feature a unique step design that allows you to drill multiple hole sizes without changing bits. Made with premium titanium coating, they resist heat buildup and deliver exceptional durability, even when used on hard materials like stainless steel. Their optimized dual-flute design sets these step bits apart, which ensures faster drilling while reducing vibration and wobble. Whether you're installing electrical boxes, creating precision holes in sheet metal, or working on automotive projects, these bits save time and effort. The laser-engraved size markings stay visible even after repeated use, making them a reliable companion for intricate tasks. With Milwaukee Step Bits, you're investing in precision, efficiency, and long-lasting performance. Sacre Folding Level. The Sacre Folding Level is an ingenious tool that redefines convenience and versatility. This foldable level features a compact design that makes it easy to carry in your toolkit, yet it unfolds into a full-size level capable of handling large-scale projects. Its high-precision bubble vials ensure accurate leveling for walls, furniture, or outdoor structures. What makes the Sacre Folding Level truly unique is its adaptability. It can lock into various angles, allowing you to measure inclines or slopes effortlessly. Built with durable aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet robust enough to withstand tough job site conditions. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, this tool is your go-to solution for achieving perfect alignment every time. Greco Contractor Gun. The Greco Contractor Gun is a high-performance spray gun designed for precision and efficiency in painting and coating applications. This advanced tool delivers superior control, allowing you to achieve a flawless finish with minimal overspray. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip make extended use comfortable and reduce hand fatigue during big projects. The gun features an easy-to-clean design with a reversible tip, allowing you to clear clogs without dismantling the unit. It works seamlessly with various paint types, from thick latex to delicate stains, ensuring professional-grade results every time. Perfect for contractors and dyers alike, the Greco Contractor Gun transforms painting tasks into effortless artistry. Ox Tools Belt. The Ox Tools Belt is the ultimate solution for hands-free tool organization. Crafted from high-grade leather and reinforced with rivets, this belt is built to endure heavy-duty use. It features multiple pouches and loops designed to accommodate a wide range of tools, from hammers and screwdrivers to pliers and tape measures. One of the standout features is its adjustable fit, ensuring comfort for users of all sizes. The belt's design distributes weight evenly across your hips, reducing strain during long work hours. Whether you're working on a roof, framing a house, or tackling small repairs, the Ox Tools Belt keeps your essentials within arm's reach, improving efficiency and productivity. Rubbermaid Fast Track. The Rubbermaid Fast Track system is a modular storage solution that turns any garage or workspace into an organized haven. The system features a sturdy wall-mounted rail and a variety of hooks, bins, and racks that can be easily repositioned to accommodate changing storage needs. What makes Fast Track revolutionary is its ability to hold heavy items, from power tools to ladders, without compromising stability. Installation is straightforward, and the sleek design blends seamlessly into any space. Whether you're decluttering your garage or optimizing your workspace, Rubbermaid Fast Track ensures that every item has its place. Joe-Carry Micro Stripper. The Joe-Carry Micro Stripper is an indispensable tool for electricians and dyers, handling delicate wiring tasks. This compact yet powerful device allows you to strip insulation from wires with unparalleled precision. Its adjustable mechanism caters to different wire sizes, ensuring clean and consistent results every time. Unlike traditional wire strippers, the Joe-Carry Micro Stripper minimizes the risk of damaging the conductor, making it perfect for intricate electrical projects. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing for extended use without fatigue. Whether you're wiring a home or working on electronics, this tool ensures safety and efficiency in every task. Jacme 180-in-1. The Jacome 180-in-1 Toolkit is a treasure trove for anyone who loves repairing gadgets, assembling furniture, or tackling DIY projects. This comprehensive set includes precision screwdrivers, bits, and other tools designed to handle everything from smartphones and laptops to household appliances. The standout feature of this kit is its high-quality magnetic bits that prevent screws from slipping or falling. Each tool is neatly organized in a compact case, making it easy to carry and store. With Jacome, you're always prepared for any repair or assembly challenge, no matter how intricate or demanding. Ryobi Inflator. The Ryobi Inflator is a compact yet powerful device that takes the hassle out of inflating tires, sports equipment, and even air mattresses. This cordless tool operates on Ryobi's ONE+ battery system, ensuring compatibility with other Ryobi devices. What sets this inflator apart is its digital pressure gauge, which allows you to set and monitor desired pressure levels with precision. The Auto Shuto feature ensures you never overinflate. Its portability and ease of use make it a must-have for car owners, campers, and sports enthusiasts alike. Roto Shovel. The Roto Shovel is a groundbreaking gardening tool that combines a shovel and a drill to make digging effortless. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it can quickly dig holes for planting, fence posts, or yard work with minimal effort. The tool's sharp, rotating blade cuts through tough soil and roots, saving time and energy compared to traditional shovels. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to use for gardeners of all skill levels. With the Roto Shovel, transforming your garden has never been simpler or more enjoyable. Wea Tool Backpack. The Wea Tool Backpack is the perfect companion for professionals who need to carry their tools on the go. Made from durable materials, this backpack offers multiple compartments and padded sections to organize and protect your tools. Its ergonomic design and adjustable straps ensure maximum comfort, even when carrying heavy loads. The backpack's reinforced base provides stability, allowing it to stand upright while you work. Whether you're an electrician, plumber, or DIY enthusiast, the Wea Tool Backpack combines functionality with portability. Stanley Electric Washer. The Stanley Electric Washer is a powerful and compact cleaning solution for homeowners and professionals alike. This pressure washer delivers high water pressure to tackle stubborn dirt, grease, and grime on surfaces like driveways, decks, and vehicles. Its lightweight design and easy-to-use controls make it ideal for anyone, regardless of experience level. The washer includes multiple nozzles for different spray patterns, allowing for customized cleaning. Durable and efficient, the Stanley Electric Washer is your go-to tool for keeping your surroundings spotless. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.